Okay, so hi honeys, how are ya? Tanya Nishailok here, and of course, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back, guys, to another vlog. Welcome back to another video. Thank you very much for clicking back yet in another amazing vlog. As you have seen from the thumbnail to the title of the video, guys, I took a break. I know, and my breaks most of the time they are not very long. I think you can realize, like, I take a break of around 5 to 7 days a week. That is my break. But finally, I'm back onto the road, onto creating for you content, and I'm excited like never before. By the way, if this is the first time you're watching my face over here, hi there, I'm Tanya Nishailok. I'm a Ugandan beauty and lifestyle content creator. I think you can see from the glow on my face, okay? Please do consider subscribing and turn on that notification bell so that you are notified whenever I have a new video up on the channel. And of course, if you're an OB or an OG on the channel, thank you also very much for returning. I appreciate all your love and support, and I just pray for blessings, of course, you know. So for today's vlog in particular, I'm partnering up with S.M.I. Wear here in Kampala, Uganda. If you don't know anything about S.M.I. Wear, it's a fashion brand here in Kampala, Uganda, which actually specializes in tailoring and customizing different, you know, clothings, starting from dresses to diras to combos to kids bitenji to dresses, a lot of other, you know, amazing clothings at a very affordable price. I'm gonna be leaving some of their information on my screen and hopefully in the description box below. So I think about a month ago, these guys reached out to me and they took my measurements. They also, of course, took it in their hands to see that they make me these amazing combos that have just arrived right now. So this is the package going on over here. Quite a huge package, as you see. So I'm gonna be unboxing this right now. We go through the whole package and hopefully we see how of course the different clothings did turn out, or the different combos. Also, not forgetting, guys, they also make men clothings. Okay, so you guys, hopefully here you can see very well. These are the two pieces actually I did pick out, you know. As I told you earlier on, they pass you through the whole process. I myself, English is not easy, did pick the materials and the style that I wanted them to actually do, tailor my pieces, and finally they are here and I'm leaving for it. So these are the pieces. I'm gonna be trying on this with you guys, and yeah, I'm gonna be first of all trying on this combo going on over here, then later on I'll try on this. Okay, so oh wow, guys, it's the material for me. Hopefully you can see it's the material for me. I myself did pick out these fabrics, like myself, I picked them out. Let me see. I think that was the shirt, and this is the pair of pants going on over here. So let me pop on all of this and we see how everything does look. This is the shirt before actually I put it on. Okay, so you guys, this is how actually this first one does look like. I'm in love with how the measurements actually did turn out, and I'm very happy about the fact that this is very comfortable. It is my real measurement, like real measurement. I think I'll put some Instagram pictures, of course, on my screen that actually also this particular brand did pay for, if that makes sense. And I love this very much. This is how my back does look like, and this is how my front part does look like. Guys, make sure that you pass over at least their WhatsApp shop number. Okay, so you guys, second outfit going on over here. Hopefully you can see me very well. I love the way how actually they did do this. I initially gave them the inspiration. I get most of my inspirations, of course, from Pinterest, and I first of all sent them to her. Then after that, met up with her, she took my measurements, and she was able, of course, to do the same thing as the pictures I sent her through WhatsApp. Guys, this is mad though. I love this neck going on over here. It is what I wanted and it is what I got. And of course, this black, detailing, which actually separates the whole outfit from the original material and color of fabric, whatever the case may be. It looks stunning and amazing. As you see, these are the pair of pants going on over here. Initially I wanted to go with slightly bigger pair of pants, but actually I did find, I think that's the best English to use, I did find this amazing combo where actually this pair of shirts, or this kind of pair of shirts, were actually designed with short pair of pants, and I did settle for this. I feel like they did a pretty good, amazing job. And guys, don't hesitate. Make sure that you at least consult them via their WhatsApp shop number. I'm gonna be leaving all their information in my description box below, and also their Instagram. It's also gonna be in my description box below. Yes. Okay, so you guys, this is me for the day. Currently, I want to just, of course, start on my routine, or general day routine, if that makes sense. I have this amazing candle going on over here. Let me show you. I have this amazing candle going on over here, which I want to lit right now. I don't know if lighting is the best English to use. This candle going on over here. I want to just set my mood before actually the day does start. I also want to do my skincare routine today. It is my scrub day. I want to scrub a little bit of my face. And you guys, I think 2 vlogs ago or 3 vlogs ago, I was talking about this amazing scrub I do get from Langida Jewelry Store at a very affordable price. And I think I got some message from a random person, of course, telling me how amazing that scrub is. And I said, oh my god, I'm not alone. Actually, there are a lot of people out there using this scrub. Actually, this is the scrub I was telling you about. This is the almond sherbet body scrub. I love to use this most of the time for my face, and of course especially for my immediate neck area. It does a lot with, of course, softening, extracting all that other gunk that you don't need on your face. It also has amazing vitamins that most of the time people don't take note of, especially when it comes to scrub, vitamin E and all that other good stuff. So I'm gonna be using this right now. I usually get this actually from Langida Jewelry Store. Yes, and most of the time I get it at around 15,000 Ugandan shillings. But if you don't know, Langida Jewelry Store, as the store always has discount days, such as Orange Fridays, Black Fridays, and all that other stuff. So most of the time when things are on discount, I also tend to go there and pick up such amazing stuff on a discount. So that's what I'm gonna be doing right now. Okay, so actually you guys currently done with my mini skincare routine going on over here. I love the way how my skin has been glowing and serving me one of these days, and it is one thing that I'm very proud of as we come to the end of 2021. I think I'm mastering, or I'm actually far more better than how I did start in this skincare kind of world when I did just join the beauty world. And I just love the way how sticking with these different affordable products has been also helping me out get better and better with skincare routines. This looks so beautiful. But anyway, currently I want to go have some breakfast. I have to do laundry and all that other stuff. So let's go. Okay, so good evening, guys. Hope that you are fine, amazing, and well. Actually, I think something like 2 days later on, I want to conclude up today's vlog. But as I conclude up today's vlog, there is something I've been thinking about more lately. You know, in this beauty world, there are two different category of people. Of course, we have the men and women before actually going to other classifications, of course. But I just feel like recently, men and beauty boys and people such as myself who are actually, you know, of the opposite gender who are doing makeup and beauty and all that other stuff, we have not been, of course, recognized as, you know, our counterpart or our female counterpart. Let me know in the comment section below. I've been thinking about it all day long, and I just need to hear your thoughts, guys, because I just feel like we men or boys have actually to do twice the work than what is actually done by our fellow counterparts. Okay, so let me know in the comment section below what you think of that. But let me meet you again in the next vlog. Tanya ni Shylock switching out. Bye for now.